Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Has it ever happened to you that when an interviewer asked you a question and you haven't followed it well? What I mean is, you have not understood the interviewer's question. Quite familiar, isn't it? So, in our today's conversation, I will be touching about few gateways how to handle when you get into such kind of situation. So, let's get started. Let's take a scenario. For example, you are in an interview and everything is going well as per your planning. You are having a good conversation with the interviewer. You are maintaining great eye contact and speaking with full confidence. Then the interviewer asks you something and you don't understand the question. Oops. You feel lost and you don't know how to ask the interviewer to repeat the question politely. It's likely this has happened to you already, or it will happen if you are preparing for interviews. Quite possible. It could also happen when you talk to your boss or co-workers. It's a known and common scenario. Now, the question is what to do when we get into such scenarios. Your reaction when you don't understand a question is important. I repeat, your reaction when you don't understand a question is important. It can be the difference between getting the job or not. It can be the difference between passing a test or failing. So it's vital to make sure you're ready. We all know the fact that events will occur. We can't predict these events. But what we can do is how we respond. Or are we prepared well enough to respond and not react? So let's look at few tips. One, don't panic. Know that it's normal and it's okay. So there is nothing to panic and no reason to get embarrassed. Two, ask the interviewer to repeat the question politely. Here are some polite ways to say that you did not understand and asking your interviewer to repeat a question. Say, for example, I'm sorry. Could you please repeat that? I'm sorry. If I may request you to repeat the question. I didn't quite catch that. Can you please ask again? I'm sure you have found this useful. Do follow us on socials. This is Ashwini Dasgupta, your personal development NLP expert, signing off. And until I see you next, be you, be confident. Take care. Bye bye.